In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from your GetResponse list. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to GetResponse, you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a contact from a specific list in a safe and intentional way. First, start by logging into your GetResponse account and heading to your main admin dashboard. This is the central area where you can access all your tools, like email campaigns, automation, and of course, your contact lists. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on Contacts. This is where all your subscriber information is managed. After clicking Contacts, you'll see a page that displays your existing lists. Each list usually corresponds to a particular audience segment or campaign. Take a moment to identify the list that contains the contact you want to remove. When you have found it, click on that list name to open it. This will take you into a detailed view of all the contacts associated with that specific list. Inside the list, you'll see a table or list view of your contacts, usually showing details like their email address and subscription status. Scroll through this list, or use the search bar if one is available, to locate the exact contact you want to delete. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct contact, especially if you have similar names or addresses, because this action can't be undone easily. Once you've found the correct contact, move your attention to the right side of that contacts row. You'll see a More Options icon, typically represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on this icon to open a small drop-down menu. From the options that appear, look for and select Delete from List. This tells GetResponse that you only want to remove the contact from this specific list, not necessarily from your entire account. After you click Delete from List, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is a safety check to make sure you really want to perform this action. Read the message carefully, then click Yes, delete them to confirm. Once you do that, the contact will be removed from that list, and they'll no longer receive messages targeted to that particular audience. And that's all you need to do to delete a contact from a GetResponse list.